What is going on, you guys? Jose Buenteo here, eXp Realty at 8322 Lajitas Bend. 210-996-9608 is my phone number. That's how you can get in contact with me. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,966 square foot home in Stillwater Ranch. What a desired neighborhood. Let's go ahead and go inside and I'll show you the property. Come on. Thank you so much for watching the video, you guys. My name is Jose Buenteo, eXp Realty. 210-996-9608 is the way to contact me if you have any questions. Again, thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.